make some beef brisket down at the beach. It wouldn't be complete without Bloody Marys, of course. Our first step is going to be removal of the fat cap. This allows us to get some smoke into the meat. We want to look for any silver skin, any excess fat. We want to cut that off. That's not going to render down. I know this can be tedious, but definitely well worth it in the end. We're going to be cooking on the Traeger today, and we're going to be cooking around 250 degrees. Our rub of choice right now is going to be the Holy Cow by Meat Church. These guys put a great product out. This gives us a really nice bark. Here's a quick sneak peek of our bamboo cutting board with a stainless steel drawer. This will be released very soon. I'm using a meat stick. We're going to use this to monitor the internal temperature of the brisket. There's those Bloody Marys again. Man, were they good. And no Bloody Marys complete without a kielbasa bomb. A kielbasa bomb is kielbasa wrapped in bacon. And it's a great finishing touch onto those Bloody Marys. We're going to wrap this brisket in pink butcher paper. A lot of times I like to double up the paper just so we have some good coverage. As you can see, I'm putting a few pieces of butter on top of the brisket. We'll let that melt down into that brisket, give it some additional flavor. I also like keeping everything moist. I'll be using an apple cider, and I like to squirt the paper around it just to maintain that moisture inside there. We'll give this a quick wrap, and back onto the Traeger it goes. We're going to give our guests some kielbasa bombs. Keep them satisfied. We're going to remove the brisket. We're going to wrap it. We're going to allow it to rest. We'll cover it up and put it inside the green egg until we're ready to serve. Here's the finished product. Have great moisture. Bark was maintained very well. This brisket came out nice and juicy, and look at that smoke ring. Quick pull test. That's some good brisket. Looks like dinner served. Don't forget, brisket the next day makes great sandwiches. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, give us some comments if you'd like to see something, or if you have any questions or comments on the video. Again, thanks.